First of all, I appreciate the invitation to be here tonight and be with the congressman. I'm running for the United States Senate simply for one reason. I think our country is at a crossroads. I think whether you look at what's going on in our schools, what's going on in our streets, or the fact that we're bankrupting the next generation, we can make a good case for the fact that we're going down the same road that other great powers have gone down, into oblivion. We don't have to do that, but it's going to take strong leadership. Stronger leadership than we've got. People are going to have to come in from out of the private sector and get involved. Some running for office, some working in their neighborhoods. I'm running for the Senate. That's the United States Congress. That's the place to start. Congress is out of touch. People feel alienated from them. They're removed from them. Congress has been a closed society where if you're not wealthy or you're not an incumbent politician of many years, it's no game for you. You can't get the money or the support of the name ID to even run for office. That's got to be changed. Term limits, bring them home, cut their pay, change the pension laws, make them live under the laws that everybody else has to live under. Those are the things we've got to start with so that Congress got the credibility to solve these problems. If you'll help me, I'll lead that fight.